was listening too fast, catching all the words that then to me going past. But God, I miss the girl, and let's go a dozen times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. I know it was new, I never knew her, but I love her just the same. I love her name. Wish that I had found a way, and the reasons that would make her stay. I have learned to live a life apart from all the rest. If I can't have the world I want, I'll do without the best. But how I miss the girl, and I go a million times around the world just to say